Dear learners, welcome to the home of English for English grammar and vocabulary learning. Today, in this vocabulary session, let's discuss some one-word substitutions related to killing, murders, or death. I have already uploaded one words related to kinds of governments, marriages, and phobias. Please watch them in the playlist. At the end of this lesson, I will ask you two questions. So be attentive and answer them in the comment box. Let's start. English vocabulary. One-word substitutions. Deaths, killings, or murders. If a one word has the suffix side, that is CIDE, side, then it denotes killing or murder. It is a suffix originated from the language Latin. So remember, if any one word having side as its suffix, then it denotes killing or murder. Example, homicide. Homicide is murder of a man or a woman. So murder of any person is homicide. If it is infanticide, then it is murder of an infant. It is also called prolicide. Prolicide also means murder of an infant. Third one, suicide. Suicide is murder of oneself. Fourth, patricide. Patricide is murder of one's father. Remember, patriarchy is male domination, where father being the head. So we can see that patricide is murder of one's father. Matricide, murder of one's mother. Fratricide, murder of one's brother. Patricide, murder of one's father. Matricide, murder of one's mother. Fratricide, murder of one's brother. Then what is therefore murder of one's sister? Murder of one's sister is sororicide. Uxoricide is murder of one's wife. Murder of one's wife is uxoricide. Then murder of one's husband is mariticide. Murder of one's husband is mariticide. Murder of one's wife is uxoricide. Filicide. It is murder of one's children is filicide. Parricide. Parricide. Murder of one's parents. Parents. Parricide. Murder of one's parents. Parricide. Feticide. Feticide is murder of a fetus. That is before birth. A fetus is there in a mother's womb. If it is murdered in the womb itself, that is before birth, then it is called feticide. Remember, female feticide is a crime. 13th, nepoticide. Nepoticide is murder of one's nephew. Regicide. Regicide is murder of a king or a queen or a monarch. So murder of a king, queen, or a monarch is regicide. Remember, regime or regal, all these words are related to a king or a queen or a monarch. So their murder is regicide. Vaticide. Vaticide is murder of a prophet. Murder of a prophet is called vaticide. Next is post-mortem or autopsy. Post-mortem or autopsy is a medical examination of a dead body. 17th, interment. Interment is burial of a corpse, that is dead body, in a grave or tomb. So burial of a corpse or dead body in a grave or tomb is called interment. Mortuary. Mortuary is a place where dead bodies are kept for autopsy or post-mortem. 19th, morgue. Morgue is also a place where dead bodies are kept for identification. So the place where dead bodies kept for identification is morgue, and that for autopsy or postmortem is mortuary. Cemetery. Cemetery is a graveyard where the dead are buried or dead bodies are buried. 21st. Cortege. Cortege, a funeral procession comprising a number of mourners. A funeral procession comprising a number of mourners is called cortege. 22nd. Cremation ground or crematorium. Cremation ground or crematorium is a place where last funeral rites are performed. 23rd. Obituary. Obituary is an account in the newspaper about the funeral of the deceased or the dead. Obituary. Elegy. Elegy is a poem of lamentation or condolence on the death of someone loved and admired. So elegy is a poem of lamentation or condolence on the death of someone loved and admired. 25th. Epitaph. Epitaph is words inscribed on the grave or tomb in the memory of the buried. So remember, epitaph is words inscribed on the grave or tomb in the memory of the buried. But elegy is a poem of lamentation on the death of someone loved and admired. Obituary is an account in the newspaper about the funeral of the deceased or dead. So these are the 25 one words related to killing, death or murders. You may revise it once or twice and learn. Now it is question time. There are 2 questions. Answer them in the comment box. First one, what is the one word for murder of one's father? Second one, what is the one word for murder of a king or a queen? Answer in the comment box. So here ends this session. If you liked the session, please like, subscribe and share. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.